bit differently because the other software doesn't quite work well for it. So here we're going to do a problem with the horizontal line test to test to see if certain functions are one-to-one or not one-to-one, also called injective. So top left corner, or first the definition of being passing the horizontal line test means that every horizontal line you can draw can only hit the graph at most once. So in the top left corner we can see that if we were to draw a line through here, it would only hit one blue dot. So that part of it, I guess, would pass the horizontal line test. However, notice that down here at -4, there's a horizontal line that hits 3 times. So this first graph up here we would say not one-to-one. Okay, let's go to the next graph and see if that one works. So next one over, horizontal line through here would only hit that one blue dot. That one only hits one, that one only hits one. But that horizontal line through 2 hits 2 different blue dots. So 2 different dots means this one is also not one-to-one. Okay, third graph, top right corner. Most horizontal lines seem to only be hitting once. There's one place that might be a little tricky, which is the x-axis. However, if you come through on the x-axis, this only hits once also. Because notice on the left, that open dot, that means that you go up to, but you don't quite hit, even though you do hit over here at the closed dot. So even the x-axis only has one spot where it actually hits, right here at what looks to be 1, 0. So this one is one-to-one. Okay, moving down to the bottom, on the far left we have a standard absolute value type graph here. And notice that most lines you attempt to draw in here are going to hit more than once. The only ones that don't are the ones that are too low, that hit none, and then one very special horizontal line through here which would only hit once at the very tip. But even if there's just one place where it hits more than once, this is not one-to-one. So this graph is going to be not one-to-one because this line right here hits more than once. Similarly, go to the next line. This one's also going to be not one-to-one, or next graph is not one-to-one, because here is a horizontal line that we can see physically is hitting the picture in 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. So it hits more than once. This is also not one-to-one. And then as our final example, notice that this one, this graph on the far right on the bottom, hits once, 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 once. There's really no concerns here. It never jumps back on itself or anything. So since every horizontal line hits at most once, we would say that this last one here is indeed one-to-one.